Hello friends, welcome to Infinky Infopedia. Today, we are diving into the latest from SpaceX, a groundbreaking update on their Raptors engine series. From the early days of Raptors 1 to the cutting-edge advancements in Raptors 3, SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of rocket engine technology. The journey of the Raptors engine series has been one of continuous innovation and improvement. It all started with the Raptors 1, which debuted in 2016. This engine served as a testing ground for SpaceX's revolutionary concepts, and its successful test firing marked a pivotal moment in rocket engine technology. Raptors 1 was a significant milestone, showcasing SpaceX's commitment to advancing space exploration. In 2020, SpaceX introduced the Raptors 2 engine, which brought enhanced thrust and chamber pressure. These improvements resulted in greater efficiency and reliability, solidifying SpaceX's position as a leader in rocket propulsion. Raptors 2's simplified design also reduced manufacturing costs, making it a crucial step in SpaceX's plans for rapid innovation and cost-effective space travel. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, Raptors 3. This latest version represents a monumental leap forward in engine development. Recently, Elon Musk shared a picture of Raptors 3 serial number 1, indicating it is the first Raptors 3 to come off the production line. The following day, SpaceX posted additional images and specifications of this engine. First, let's discuss its appearance. Even if you're not familiar with rocket engines, you'll notice Raptors 3 looks much more simplified. Unlike the greenish tint of Raptors 1 and 2, Raptors 3 has a grayish color, similar to the Merlin engine. This change might be due to a protective coating, as Raptors 3 incorporates more integrated cooling loops compared to its predecessors. In close-up shots, we can see Raptors 3 is composed of two distinct halves. The upper half lacks the gray color and contains the liquid oxygen pump and preburner, as well as the liquid methane pump. The bottom half, which is entirely welded and gray, includes the methane cooling manifold, combustion chamber, and nozzle. SpaceX has also significantly reduced the number of flanges, although they haven't disappeared completely. This massive simplification allows SpaceX to run the engine at much higher pressures and temperatures, resulting in increased thrust. There is, understandably, much speculation about the future of Raptors engines. While details on SpaceX's long-term plans are limited, Raptors 3 may serve as a transitional phase. It allows SpaceX to gather critical data and insights, paving the way for future variants like the rumored Raptors 3X, Raptors 4, or even Raptors 5. These potential future models promise even more powerful and efficient engines, continuing SpaceX's tradition of rapid iteration and relentless improvement. With the introduction of Raptors 3, SpaceX is once again redefining the standards of rocket propulsion. This engine not only enhances the performance and reliability of their spacecraft but also sets the stage for ambitious missions, from satellite deployment to interplanetary exploration. As always, SpaceX's unique approach focuses on rapid innovation, ensuring that each new iteration surpasses the last. Thank you for watching. Be sure to stay connected for more updates on SpaceX's cutting-edge technologies. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.